Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel as always. I appreciate all the support. Tonight we got a brand new company once again. Enjoy bringing you guys new companies. I believe there's another reviewer that reviewed this company already. That's a lot of reviews. I believe there was another reviewer, one of my brothers, Daniel the Bearded Apprentice. If you know who he is, or if you don't, head over to his Instagram and follow him. Great guy, great reviewer. Tonight we're going to review a brand new company, like I said, out of New Jersey called FILTHIE Supply. Clean yourself up and then come right back. See what I did there? Welcome back guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel as always. Appreciate all of you. Thank you for the constant support, all the love you showed me here on YouTube and over on Instagram. It's been kind of slow for me. I've had stuff going on at the home, between work, just kids growing up too fast, trying to get everything done for you guys in a timely manner, so hopefully you're enjoying it. Tonight, like I said, we're going to bring you a brand new company review out of New Jersey called FILTHIE Supply. FILTHIE Supply, they use natural ingredients, paraben-free, gluten-free. Awesome company. I've talked to these gentlemen quite a few times. The first combo they sent out to me, I didn't really like the scent because I believe it had, I think it was tea tree, and I'm not a big tea tree guy. That's going to be my second review, what they did for me, because I didn't like the scent. But anyway, we're going to talk about this one for now. They sent me out a combo, and also they sent me out a nice FILTHIE Supply shirt. Awesome. Apologize for that glare. I got my light set up right here. That way you guys aren't getting, trying to autofocus on everything else. And I think it's probably going to try to autofocus on that guy right there. But anyway, they sent me out a balm and an oil. Awesome products. I know I say that pretty much damn near every one of my reviews, but guys, I'm not allergic to anything. I use these products for more than 3 days, sometimes more than 5 days. If I think they're gonna work, if my beard feels good, if it feels dry, whatever I'm feeling after using these products, of course not after a single day's use. But I'm gonna be open, upfront, honest with you guys, because I mean, quite frankly, I don't have nothing to hide. I don't have nothing to lose. I put all my money into this channel. I have gotten paid a few times. I do these reviews for free for the most part, and why lie about it? You know what I mean? My beard is my beard. It's not super thick. A lot of the products that I do review are awesome products. It's just simple as that. It's the easiest way I can put it. These products are just another exception. We'll go over the oil first. These are pump tops. The first one it's got a pump top, 2-ounce oil. It's called FILTHIE Beard Supply. Nice big top. And the ingredients in these are, let's see if I can read these. I don't think I'm going to be able to read these guys. Fractionated coconut oil, golden jojoba oil, tea tree oil, orange bitter essential oil, peppermint supreme essential oil. So just a couple of ingredients in there. Nothing major, just boom. Basic, to the point, nothing special. Probably the best way you can have it. The thickness of the oil, it's not super thick, but it's also not super thin. It's got a safety feature. I forgot about that. You can twist this one way or the other. And I locked it again. A couple squirts. You guys can see. A little bit thin, a little bit on the thinner side, but again, I think my beard actually loves the thinner oils. You got your tea tree, a little bit of peppermint smell there. Just to me, I don't like the tea tree. The tea tree is what throws me off. The orange, you get a hint of the orange. The peppermint, of course, is going to be the strongest one. You're going to get a lot of that. But again, It works in the beard. It works for your beard. The skin beneath the beard feels good. Just what a beard oil is supposed to do, guys. Makes my beard soft. Like I said, it does what it's supposed to do. Awesome stuff. Gluten-free, paraben-free, everything good for you in this bottle for your skin and your beard hair. I hope you guys can see that. And the bottles are actually black. They're not see-through, so you can't see through them. So that'll definitely extend the life. Next one, the balm. This was my favorite part. With the exception of the oil working, the balm. This balm is just a, your basic vanilla scented beard balm. Holy crap. This is probably the best vanilla I've ever smelled in my 2 years reviewing. And I'm not even joking about it. I absolutely love the scent of this vanilla. It's got such a nice aroma. It's like, if we had smell-o-vision, you guys, this stuff is the good. I'm sorry, guys. I keep rambling. The ingredients, Filthy Supply, let's see. Filthy Supply Beard Balm is gluten-free, paraben-free, and all-natural, designed to condition, soften, and style your beard, as well as hydrate your skin, clean yourself up. Sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, beeswax, shea butter, rice bran oil, vitamin E, and vanilla fragrance. And again, the oil has essential oils in it. This has fragrance oils in it. This is going to smell a lot stronger, but it's vanilla. You guys are familiar with vanilla fragrance. This one, I don't know what type of vanilla fragrance they use, but this is definitely my favorite. In the last 2 years I've been reviewing products, anything vanilla, this is by far my favorite vanilla. The consistency of it, if you can see that, it's got a nice shine to it, and it's real soft. See, it's almost like a I don't know, like a hard butter, we'll say. Put it in the hand, and it breaks down super fast. And again, it has a light hold, depending on how much you use of it. And man, that vanilla, guys, I'm not over exaggerating. I know I keep saying it, but guys, that vanilla is freaking amazing. The feel in beard, like I said, it slight hold, if any hold, which is fine with me because I'm more of a butter type guy. I like butter in my beard with that slight hold. This is pretty much acts like a nice, like a slight hold for a butter. That's basically what it is. Conditions my beard, my skin underneath of it feels great. And the scent lasts all day long. It hydrates my beard. I've gotten so many compliments on this one scent, this one vanilla scent. It's just crazy. Guys at my work always, oh, what are you wearing? When I used it, just amazing stuff. I'll leave all the links in the description, guys. Get yourself some Filthy Beard Supply. Clean yourself up, guys. Come on, you dirty scoundrels. Totally kidding. I'll put all their information down in the description box, guys. Again, I recommend you check this company out. I highly recommend these products. They do what they're supposed to do. You get the basic ingredients of a normal beard oil, nothing special, just a beard oil that works. A nice chunky pump top bottle that locks. This actually locks. It's pretty cool. And again, I don't know if they're going to come out with this vanilla as they're one of their standard products, but I really hope so. I really hope they do, because I will definitely be getting another one of these just to have it in case I run out of this one. But anyway, thank you guys so much for sending these products out. There will be another video. They did a little something special for me since I didn't like the scent of this, and that's the video I'm going to go over next time. Guys, thanks for all the support. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you liked the video, you learned anything, just a little bit even, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Until the next time, guys, take care. Peace out.